Hi, I'm Len Payne. This is Mark Dillon. We're here with the Sarnia Tech Community for the Sarnia Lambton Linux Users Group annual Install Fest, where we're helping people learn how to use open source software to improve their lives and get better access to technology that they have control over. We do this annually and perhaps more often now that we have more people, but we are helping people learn more about open source tech.
So what we did today is we built an entire functioning private cloud. What I mean by that is we built servers that we can host services on, like web servers, file servers, video servers, and then we had people come in and actually build those in the room with us, and then we had other people that had never even installed an operating system, install operating systems, set up Linux, set up other servers they haven't touched before, and then actually use the media servers and the file servers and the email servers that we built, all just in one day.
So we're helping people understand that Sarnia does have a thriving tech community.
Install Fests like today are about the people who enjoy learning and have common interests in getting together for some fun. Over the past 2 years, the Sarnia Tech Community has brought people together who work with, create, enjoy, and are in awe of technology. Our community is about the people first and their interests second. If you'd like to find out more, please visit sarniatech.ca.